Hi everybody, thanks for tuning into the video on this jacked up 2017 Ram 1500. This particular 1500 is the SLT trim level, upgraded with the Express package, going to give you body colored front bumper, body colored grille surround, and of course you do have that black honeycomb insert, gives it a nice black and white look throughout the truck. In the front here you're also going to see a bull bar up here with a nice little LED accent down below. Coming around to the side, of course you're going to see your fog lights there. You do have a 35-inch tall Mickey Thompson tire here wrapped around a 20-inch fuel rim. You also have the fender flares here with that bolt style look here, the exposed bolts on the outside. That of course does make it legal in the state of Pennsylvania. Hemi 5.7 liter badging, Ram 1500 badging, and then of course the upfitter was 4-wheel drive Pro Custom Trucks. You do have a 4-inch matte black step tube here. Looks like the brand is Tiger. Continuing around to the back, of course you have your matching Mickey Thompson tires, matching flares. Previous owner upgraded with a pretty sweet looking 4-wheel drive off-road badge. You could always take that off or change it if you wish to do so. In the back of the truck, not only are you going to see your Ram and your 4x4 badging, you're also going to see your dual-tipped exhaust down low. In addition to that, you do have a 2-inch hitch receiver down here, standard size hitch, with both the 4-pin for lighting and the 7-pin for lighting and braking if you tow a trailer. On the inside, you're going to see a drop-in rugged liner bed liner in there, and you do have your 4 standard tie downs, one in each corner. Continuing up this side, let's take a quick look in the back seat before we jump in the front. Tons of room back here, of course, with the crew cab truck. You also have the in-floor storage that Ram has there on both sides. Sort of almost a hidden storage. If you have the floor mats back here over top of that, you can't really see those, and you have one on both sides. Take a quick look here on the door. You're going to see your power windows, locks, and mirrors laid out in a standard fashion. It is a manually adjusting driver's seat. The back of the seat tilts with that. Base moves forward and backwards with this right here. Automatic light controls as well as your instrument cluster brightness and cargo lights over here. Let's jump in and fire it up. It is that hybrid fob key style key that Ram has. We do provide 2 keys with all of our vehicles. This one's probably on order, but it'll be here shortly. If you're listening, you can hear that it does have a pretty sweet aftermarket exhaust system. Coming back on the inside of the vehicle here, I'm going to roll the windows up so it's a little quieter in here. The truck has just over 60,000 miles, so it is out of its factory powertrain warranty. However, we do give 30 days and 1,000 miles of powertrain here from All Things Automotive, and with options to extend that up to 10 years and another 100,000 miles. On the left-hand side of the wheel, you're going to see your menu navigation controls for that center information screen there. On the right-hand side, you're going to see your gear selector as well as your cruise control items. Coming into the center stack, you do have AM, FM, as well as Sirius XM radio. You can also see your backup camera there. Down below that, standard climate controls. Of course, over here in the glove compartment, you're going to find your books as well as the results of the multi-point inspection. Of course, when we looked at the tires, you can see that they were pretty darn meaty on those tires there. But what you can't see is the brakes. We did replace the brakes, both front and rear, it looks like. We have 13-30 seconds of brake pad on the front. Or excuse me, I'm looking at the wrong section. We replaced the rears, 16-30 seconds of brake pad in the rear. The fronts are good at 9-30 seconds. Take a quick look at the Carfax here. It is a clean Carfax, no accidents or damage, has had 2 previous owners, and it was first owned as a personal lease and then as a commercial vehicle in the state of Maryland. My guess would be that it wasn't actually a commercial vehicle. My guess would probably be that it was owned by the owner of a company who registered it for his company, because most jacked up trucks are not commercial vehicles. Last part of the video, going to try to show any dents, dings, or imperfections on the truck. Overall, super clean truck. Someone took great care of it in addition to the upgrades they did on it. It does have a couple small chips up here, just super small. Coming across the front, one right there as well. That rim looks to be in good condition. Coming back this side, also pretty clean. Small mark right there. Of course, your bed rail caps do have some marks from taking things in and out of the bed. Pretty standard light wear and tear on a pickup truck. And touched up chip right there. Small mark on the bumper. Overall, super clean truck with a lot of good look to it. If you're interested in checking it out, you can stop out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Visit us online at allthingsautomotive.com or give us a call at 717-485-4224. Thank you very much and have a great day.